Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Yes children, are you fine? Yes, so now let's start our social science class. Okay, so all of you take your social science book. All of you take your social science book and social science class work, homework, pencil, eraser, everything. Check children, take and keep with you. Take fast. Have you taken children? Have you taken everything? Yes, so the revision is going on. Yes or no children? So in social science we have only 4 lessons. So already we had completed all the lessons. Yes or no children? So that's why we have started our revision. Okay, so already in the previous class we recall some of the topic from the 3rd lesson. Yes or no children? Yes. So have you understood that? Have you understood everything? And also I gave some extra fill-ups and also I gave some question answers to study the homework. Yes, study the homework and write and see in your rough notes. Did I say children? Did you study everything? So the quarterly exam coming near us. Okay children, so every day you should study and write and see the rough notes. Okay children, you should study one question and write and see in your rough notes. Okay children, then next when you come to the school for correction next time, you have to bring that note. Okay children, I have to see did you study or not. I have to see that. Okay, and also I will ask the question. Okay, when you come to the school for correction, I will ask the question also, so have to study and come. Okay children, so every day you should study 1 or 2 question answer. Okay children? Okay, yes. So now today also we are going to recall some of the topic from the 3rd lesson, Panchayat. Okay, so all of you take your social science book. Take book page number 151. So have you taken children page number 151? Have you taken? Yes. So now first of all we have to know about Panchayat. Okay children, so what is a Panchayat? What is a Panchayat? Okay, so there are some points you have to see children. In villages, the local governing body is called the Panchayat. Okay children, so in village, local government body. Okay, local governing body. So நம்ம வில்லேஜில் இருக்கக்கூடியதை நம்ம பஞ்சாயத் அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறோம். Okay, in cities there is municipality, and towns there is corporation, like that is there. Okay, that is there. Okay, in village we have a panchayat. Okay, all the villages there is the panchayat only can provide all the basic facilities for the people. Okay children? Okay, so in villages the local governing bodies is called the panchayat. Okay, next point, the word panchayat comes from the word panch. Okay, panch means we say group of 5 means group of 5. Okay, 5 அப்படின்னா ஹிந்தியில் 1 2 3 4 5 அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்களா. ஸோ அந்த மாதிரி 5 அப்படின்னா என்னது 5. ஓகே, ஸோ 5. ஓகே, 5 அந்த வேர்டில் அந்த இதுலேருந்து வந்தது தான், அந்த 5 அப்படிங்கிற வேர்ட்லேருந்து வந்தது தான் இந்த பஞ்சாயத். ஓகே சில்ட்ரன்? ஓகே, மீன்ஸ் ஆஃப் group of 5. Okay children, so the word panchayat comes from the word panch. Okay children? Yes. Then next point, the word panchayat means committee of 5 people of elders which includes 1 woman member. Okay children, so word panchayat means committee of 5 people. Okay, so ஒரு 5 நம்பர் கொண்ட ஒரு கமிட்டி, ஒரு மீட்டிங், ஒரு குரூப். ஓகே, ஸோ கமிட்டி 5 people கொண்ட ஒரு கமிட்டி தான் பஞ்சாயத். ஓகே, ஸோ தட் இஸ் included 1 woman member. All other remaining 4 members are men. Okay, 1 is woman member. Okay children, so panchayat word means, the word panchayat means committee of 5 members, includes 1 woman members. Okay children? Okay, next point, each village in India has a panchayat. Okay, every village அப்படின்னாலே எல்லா வில்லேஜுக்கும் என்ன இருக்கும்? பஞ்சாயத்து இருக்கும். ஓகே, ஸோ இன் இந்தியா ஈச் வில்லேஜ் ஹேஸ் ஏ பஞ்சாயத். ஓகே, எல்லா வில்லேஜுக்கும் ஒரு பஞ்சாயத்து இருக்கும். ஓகே, ஸோ விச் இஸ் சூசன் பை all the villagers who are to yes who are 18 years of age and above. Okay, so every village in India, all the villages has a panchayat. Okay, every village, each village has a panchayat. So that panchayat chosen by all the villages. Okay, so panchayat members இருக்காங்களா, ஸோ அவங்கள சூஸ் பண்ணுற வில்லேஜஸ் எப்படி இருக்கணும் அப்படின்னா 18 years இருக்கணும், இல்லை 18 yearsக்கு above இருக்கணும். ஓகே, ஸோ that people only can choose the president and ward members like that. ஓகே, 18 years இருக்கணும், நெக்ஸ்ட்டு 18 yearsக்கு மேலே இருக்கணும். ஓகே, ஸோ அவங்களாம் என்ன செய்யலாம், பஞ்சாயத்து எலெக்ஷனில் எலெக்ட் பண்ண அந்த பஞ்சாயத்து எலெக்ஷனில் போட்டியிடலாம். அப்படி அண்டு we also can elect. We also choose the president and the vice president. Okay, children, the next point, the head of village panchayat is known as pradhan or president, okay, or sarpanch. Okay, so head of village panchayat is president. So president, all the villages, the head, okay, all the village, the head of village panchayat, president. Okay, so president is the head of panchayat. Okay, president தான் village panchayatோட தலைவர். Okay, so president is the head of village panchayat. Okay, the president is also called pradhan. Okay, president is also called pradhan, and always, and also another one name, sarpanch. Okay, so president is called as sarpanch or pradhan. Okay, children, so every village, the head of the panchayat is president. So president is also known as pradhan or sarpanch. Okay, children, okay, do you understand clearly? About panchayat? Yes. So now let's go our topic. Today we are going to learn about Kudavulai method. Okay, children, so see the book, page number 151. Before we are going to know about Kudavulai method, we have to let us know. Okay, children, so let us know. See, children, the Uttaramerur inscription is in Kanchipuram. Okay, the Uttaramerur inscription means kalvattu. Okay, inscription means kalvattu. So Uttaramerur அப்படினு ஒரு உத்திரமேரூர் கல்வெட்டு. ஓகே, ஸோ இன் காஞ்சிபுரம். ஸோ காஞ்சிபுரத்தில் இருக்கக்கூடிய ஒரு பிளேஸ் தான் உத்திரமேரூர் அப்படின்னு ஒரு பிளேஸ். ஓகே, காஞ்சிபுரம் டிஸ்ட்ரிக்டில் இருக்கக்கூடிய ஒரு பிளேஸ் நேம் உத்திரமேரூர். ஓகே, ஸோ தேர் இஸ் த இன்ஸ்கிரிப்ஷன் கல்வெட்டு. ஓகே, ஸோ த உத்திரமேரூர் இன்ஸ்கிரிப்ஷன் இன் காஞ்சிபுரம் indicate that Chola kingdom followed the Kudavulai method to elect candidate for the village administration. Okay, so Uttaramerur kalvatula enna irundhathu appadina Chola kingdom. So nowadays only we have a president and vice president like that. Yes or no, children? But in olden time, the Asian period, our country was ruled by the kings. Okay, ruled by the kingdoms. So Chera kingdom, Chola kingdoms, and Pandyas, Pallavas, like that the kingdoms were there. Okay, children, in the Asian period, the country was ruled by the kings. Okay, kingdoms. Okay, children, so in Chola kingdom period, Cholargal seidangala, so on that period they have followed the Chola kingdoms, they have followed the Kudavulai method. So avanga enna method follow pannanga, Kudavulai method follow pannanga. Okay, they have followed the Kudavulai method to elect the candidates. Okay, so இப்போல்லாம் எலெக்ஷன் மூலமாக நம்ம என்ன செய்கிறோம், நமக்கு தேவையான பிரசிடென்ட், வைஸ் பிரசிடென்ட், வார்டு மெம்பர்ஸ் எல்லாம் சூஸ் பண்ணுறோம் தானே. பட் இன் ஏஷியன் டைம், த சோலா கிங்டம் பீரியட், தே ஹாவ் ஃபாலோட் த குடவோலை மெத்தட். ஓகே, தே ஹாவ் ஃபாலோட் த குடவோலை மெத்தட் டு எலெக்ட் த கேண்டிடேட் ஃபார் வில்லேஜ் அட்மினிஸ்ட்ரேஷன். ஸோ வில்லேஜை நிர்வாகம் பண்ணக்கூடிய அந்த கேண்டிடேட்டை யார் தான் எப்படி செலக்ட் பண்ணுவாங்க, குடவோலை மெத்தட் மூலமாக. Okay, so that detail is there in the உத்திரமேரூர் இன்ஸ்கிரிப்ஷன். ஓகே சில்ட்ரன், இன் காஞ்சிபுரத்தில் இருக்கக்கூடிய உத்திரமேரூர் கல்வெட்டில் இந்த டீட்டெயில்ஸ் இருக்குது. ஓகே, இந்த சோழா கிங்டம்ஸில் அவங்க குடவோலை மெத்தடை யூஸ் பண்ணி தான் அவங்களுக்கு தேவையான வில்லேஜ் அட்மினிஸ்ட்ரேஷனை, வில்லேஜ் நிர்வாகம் பண்ணக்கூடிய தலைவரை சூஸ் பண்ணாங்க அப்படிங்கிற இன்ஃபர்மேஷன் we can see the Uttaramerur inscription in Kanjipuram. Okay children, do you understand clearly? Yes, so now we are going to learn about Kudavolai method. Okay, Kudavolai is a traditional method. Kudavolai is a traditional method. So see the picture children, see the picture. There is a mud pot. Yes, there is a mud pot. Okay, so that is called kudam. That is called kudam. அந்த பானையை தான் நம்ம எப்படி சொல்கிறோம்? குடம் அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறோம். ஸோ குடவோலை மெத்தட் இஸ் த ட்ரெடிஷ்னல் மெத்தட் ஆஃப் எலெக்ஷன். ஓகே, ஸோ குடவோலை மெத்தட் முன்னாடி பழைய காலத்திலேருந்தே யூஸ் பண்ணுற ஒரு மெத்தட் தான் குடவோலை மெத்தட். ஓகே, குடவோலை இஸ் ஏ ட்ரெடிஷ்னல் மெத்தட் ஆஃப் எலெக்ஷன். ஓகே, ஸோ நம்மளாம் இப்போ நமக்கு தேவையான பிரசிடெண்ட்டை we can select through the election. அப்படிதானே? ஸோ எலெக்ஷன் மூலமாக நம்ம சூஸ் பண்ணிக்கிறோம், நமக்கு தேவையான மெம்பரை நம்ம சூஸ் பண்ணிக்கிறோம். அப்படிதானே? But in olden time, the Asian period, people were used Kudavolai method. Okay, by the election they have used the Kudavolai method. Okay, so village people gather and write the name of preferred candidates in palm leaf and kept it in a mud pot called kudam. The candidate having maximum number of leaves would be elected. Okay, do you understand children? Do you understand? So village people என்ன சொல்வாங்களா, all are gather in one place. Village people gather in a one place and write the name of prepared candidate. Okay, உங்களுக்கு தேவையான candidate. Okay, they can select the president, தலைவர். Okay, through the election. Okay, குடவோலை method. Okay, so village people all are gather in one place and write the name of prepared candidates in a palm leaf. Okay, so palm leaf na theriyuma, panai olai. Okay, so can you see the picture? Palm leaf, panai ஓலைகள்ல அவங்களுக்கு எந்த கேண்டிடேட், எந்த யார் தலைவராக வேணும் அப்படிங்கிறத அதில் நேம் அவங்களோட நேம் எழுதி நினச்சிவாங்களா அந்த பானையில் போட்டுருவாங்க. Okay, so that mud pot is called kudam. Okay, so there is the maximum candidate. There is the maximum candidate name. Maximum number of candidates name will be there in the mud pot. Okay, so நிறைய லீஃபில் யாரோட நேம் இருக்குதோ, so they only the president. Okay, அவங்க தான் அந்த எலெக்ஷனில் சூஸ் பண்ண president. Okay, have you understood children? Have you understood about Kudavolai method? Okay, so village people எல்லாரும் ஒரு இடத்துல ஜாயின் பண்ணுவாங்க, சேர்ந்து அவங்க பாம் லீஃபில் அவங்களுக்கு யார் பிரசிடெண்ட்டாக வேணுமோ அவங்களோட நேமை ரைட் பண்ணி அந்த மண்பானைகளில் அந்த குடத்தில் போடுவாங்க. ஸோ அப்போ அதில் யாரோட நேம் அதிகமாக இருக்குது, எந்த தலைவர் அவங்களுக்கு வேணுமோ அவங்களோட நேம் நிறைய யார் எழுதியிருக்காங்களோ ஸோ அவங்க தான் அந்த வில்லேஜோட பிரசிடெண்ட்டாக இருந்தாங்க. ஓகே, தலைவராக இருந்தாங்க. Okay children, have you understood about Kudavolai method? So it is the traditional method. Okay, பழைய காலத்திலே அவங்க யூஸ் பண்ண method it is. Okay, so nowadays also some villages we can see like this Kudavolai method. Okay children, so villages they have followed the Kudavolai method. Okay, by the election. Okay, for the election they have followed the Kudavolai method. Okay children, have you understood? Yes, then next page, next topic we will learn our next class. Okay, so now all of you take your social classwork note. We are going to some extra classwork children. Take fast, take your social classwork note. So all of you take your social classwork and write neatly. Take your social classwork note children. So first of all, write today date and day. All of you must you write today date and day. Okay children? Okay, so write today date and day, then start to write today classwork one word answers. One word answers. One word answers. Write neatly. Your handwriting should be neat, children. Otherwise, I will tear the paper. Okay, if you write bad handwriting, I will tear the paper. When you come to the school for correction, I will tear the paper. Okay, children? Your handwriting should be neat, very neat. Okay? Do you understand, children? You write neatly. Then only you can study. Okay, so all of you write neat. One word answers. So the first question. Question you have to write one line, then answer, then next line. Okay. So I have to write question one line, then answer next line. Okay, children? Separate line, the answer should be in separate line. Okay? Yes, so the first one, which includes 3-tier system. Which includes 3-tier system. Which includes 3-tier system. Did you write question, children? Put question mark. Then next line you have to write the answer. Okay, don't leave the line. Next line you have to next line you have to write answer. Answer Panchayat Raj. Okay, in the Panchayat Raj includes 3-tier system. Okay, Panchayat Raj. Answer அப்படினு போட்டுட்டு பஞ்சாயத் ராஜ் அப்படினு எழுது. ஸ்மாலாக ஒரு சின்ன டேஷ் போட்டுக்கோ. ஆன்சர் அப்படின்னு போட்டு ஒரு ஸ்மால் டேஷ் போட்டு பஞ்சாயத் ராஜ் அப்படின்னு ஆன்சர் எழுதணும். ஓகே சில்ட்ரன்? ஓகே. விச் இன்க்ளூட்ஸ் 3-tier system. Answer, next line, answer Panchayat Raj. Okay, did you write first one? Okay, then leave one line. ஒரு ஃபஸ்ட்டு கொஸ்டினும் ஆன்சரும் முடிஞ்சப்புறம் தான் ஒரு லைன் விடணும். ஓகேவா? Okay, before that you don't leave the line. Okay, children? Now you have completed first question and answer, then you can leave the one line. Okay, then second question, leave one line and write second one. Which is compulsory duty of Panchayat? Which is compulsory duty of Panchayat? Which is compulsory duty of Panchayat? Put question mark, children. Which is compulsory duty of Panchayat? Put question mark. Then next line you have to write the answer and put small dash. After that write the answer, children. Collecting tax. Collecting tax. Tax means வரி. Okay, so நீ வீட்டுக்கு மேலே வீட்டு வரி, சொத்து வரி, வெஹிக்கிள்ஸில் டேக்ஸ், இந்த மாதிரி நிறைய டேக்ஸ் பே பண்ணுவோம். அப்படின்னா we pay the government. Some many taxes we can pay the government. Yes, so that taxes. Okay, children? அதுதான் வரி. Okay, collecting tax. That is the compulsory duty of Panchayat. Okay, so compulsory duty of Panchayat, collecting tax. Okay, children? Which is compulsory duty of Panchayat. Then answer, next line you have to write the answer, children. Answer collecting tax. Collecting tax. See the slide and write correctly. Don't make mistake, children. Your handwriting should be neat. Write neatly. Don't make mistake. Write correctly, children. Collecting tax. Okay, did you write? Did you finish second answer also? Okay, then leave one line and write third question. Leave one line and write third question. Where is Odandurai Panchayat? Where is Odandurai Panchayat? Okay, so Odandurai அப்படினு ஒரு பஞ்சாயத்து இருக்கு. That is in Coimbatore. Okay, so Odandurai பஞ்சாயத்து எங்கே இருக்குது? கோயம்புத்தூரில் இருக்குது. Okay, so where is Odandurai Panchayat? Where is Odandurai Panchayat? Put question mark. Then next line have to write the answer and put on small dash and write the answer Coimbatore. First letter should be capital. Okay, Coimbatore. See the spelling and write correctly, children. Coimbatore. Okay, did you finish question and answer, children? Where is Vodandurai Panchayat? Answer Coimbatore. Okay, then leave one line and write fourth question. Where did Utramerur inscription indicates? Where did Utramerur inscriptions indicates? Where did Utramerur inscription indicates? Okay, so Utramerur inscriptions we see in Kanjipuram. Okay, so answer Kanjipuram. Okay, then next line you have to write the answer and put on small dash and write the answer Kanjipuram. Kanjipuram. Where did Utramerur inscription indicates? Okay, so Utramerur inscriptions we can see in Kanjipuram. Okay, where did Utramerur inscription indicate? Answer Kanjipuram. Okay, did you finish, children? Did you finish fourth one? Okay, then leave one line and write fifth one. Leave one line and write fifth question. Who introduced Gram Swaraj? Who introduced Gram Swaraj? Put question mark. Who introduced Gram Swaraj? Put question mark. Then next line I have to write the answer Mahatma Gandhi. First letter should be capital. Okay, Mahatma Gandhi. Okay, Mahatma Gandhi. Who introduced Gram Swaraj? Answer Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi. Okay, children, did you write? Did you finish first this 5 one-word answers, question answers? Did you finish, children? Yes. So now all of you listen. We are going to read. Listen, children. After you have to read. Okay, listen. First one, which includes 3-tier system? Which includes 3-tier system? Answer Panchayat Raj. Okay, which includes 3-tier system? Answer Panchayat Raj. Okay, then next, which is compulsory duty of Panchayat? Which is compulsory duty of Panchayat? Okay, collecting tax. Collecting tax is compulsory duty of Panchayat. Collecting tax. Okay, which is compulsory duty of Panchayat? Collecting tax. Okay, then third, where is Vodandurai Panchayat? Okay, where is Vodandurai Panchayat? Answer Coimbatore. Okay, then fourth, where did Utramerur inscription indicates? In Kanjipuram. Okay, Utramerur inscription indicate in Kanjipuram. Okay, next, fifth, who introduced Gram Swaraj? Who introduced Gram Swaraj? Answer Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi. Okay, children, can you read all of you? Read all of you. Which includes 3-tier system Panchayat Raj, which is compulsory duty of Panchayat, collecting tax. Where is Vodandurai Panchayat? Coimbatore. Where did Utramerur inscription indicates? Kanjipuram. Who introduced Gram Swaraj? Okay, children. So answer Mahatma Gandhi. Okay, can you read all of you? Read all of you, children. Read once. Okay, can you read all of you? Yes. Okay, children. So this is the class for today. So now all of you take your social homework note. We are going to write homework now. Take, children. Take your homework note and write today homework, children. So first of all, write today date and day in the homework note. Write today date and day. Then start to write, fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. So first fill up the Utramerur inscription in dash. So in class நல்லா கவனிச்சிங்கன்னா புக்கில் ஆன்சர் ரீட் பண்ணாமே நம்மளால் ஆன்சர் கண்டுபிடிச்சி எழுத முடியும் அப்படிதானே? எஸ், இஸ் ஆர் நோ, சில்ட்ரன்? So very easy fill-ups only I gave. Okay, so have to write correctly. Okay, children. So listen the class and write correctly. Okay. The Uttaramerur inscription in dash. Okay, then second fill-up. Leave one line and write second fill-up. There are dash gram panchayat in Tamil Nadu. There are dash gram panchayat in Tamil Nadu. There are dash gram panchayat in Tamil Nadu. Okay, then third, leave one line and write third fill-up. Dash method is a traditional method of election. Dash method is a traditional method of election. Dash method is a traditional method of election. Did you finish, children? Did you finish 3 fill-ups? Okay, then leave one line and write fourth one. Dash kingdom followed the Kudavolai method to elect candidates. Dash kingdom followed F-O-L-L-O-W-E-D followed. Dash kingdom followed the Kudavolai method to elect candidates. Okay, did you write 4 fill-up, children? Yes, so today homework, this 4 fill-ups only, so have to write correctly. Okay, children, have to study, see the book and study correctly. After that, write the answer in your homework notes. Don't copy, children. You need to study every day, okay, because your quarterly is coming near us. Okay, children, so don't live simply, okay, don't live simply. Okay, you have to study every day. Study 1 or 2 question answers and write and see in your rough note. Okay, children. Okay, yes, then next topic we will learn our next class. Okay, today all of you study. Okay, children, study and write and see in your rough notes. Okay, yes, then next we will learn our next class. Have a nice day. Bye.